Explain Gorilla Tag situation in 60 seconds. So, I think you know about the shorts scam, the Gorilla Tag YouTubers have been doing it for a good month now. You're trapped in the back room, scroll long amount of time. If you like, short amount of time, comment shorter amount of time. The average YouTuber stuff. The difference is, this happens all the time with Gorilla Tag YouTubers. You could be at like 1K and then you'd be at 10K next day. It's insane. And well, I'm not gonna do that, but I guess sub farming at its finest. Average YouTubers going so I guess like and sub. Please.
Oh, bro.